Hi, I'm Andy, one of the co-founders of Macron Wild, and today we are here at Clackatal Beach on the northwest coast of Scotland, cooking up some Scotch beef short rib with a foraged kimchi and some beef dripping flatbreads. My favourite thing about foraging in Scotland is it's just being in places like this. I feel like it's so good for my soul just to get out and be on a beach or be in the top of a hill or in a forest. It really benefits my mental health. So the best time to forage for seaweed is on the low tide mark. So you've got all the rock. Instead of at high tide, you can only really reach the stuff that's just above it or just below it. So it's quite tricky to do. So I would definitely go down at low tide, see what you can find. One of my top tips for foraging on the beach is when you pick the seaweed, try and trim the root off as you're putting it away. So don't just pick and put it away, and because it's all jumbled up, it's quite hard and it takes a long time to cut those sandy, rocky roots off. So when you pick it, just nip it there and then get rid of that root and put the seaweed in the bag. So the kind of seaweed that we picked today was called pepper dulse, and that is known as the truffle of the sea, and it is a crazy aromatic. As soon as you put it in your mouth and give it a bite, the aromas just burst out. You've got a world of flavours when it comes to seaweed. To prepare the short rib, I put a rub over it, so it's got lots of different spices. Let it marinate for about 24 hours, and then I cooked it in the oven. So we put it in a little foil parcel, stuck it in the oven with a glug of beer in that parcel, nicely sealed. Stuck it in the oven at 130 for about 5 hours. Took them out to the beach, and then just put our crazy glaze on it and seared them in a hot pan, so that the meat and the glaze caramelizes and creates this amazing crust around the meat. And it's nice and sweet to go with all the spices. And then we whacked it on a tray with some of our foraged kimchi. We also had the pickled seaweed. We dressed that on top with some bits of beef dripping kind of crackling, and then cooked the flatbreads in the leftover beef dripping, and then just placed it all together. It's a real nice family style meal. You all kind of take bits out. Fundamentally, you want to be feeling good about what you're cooking. So if you're buying Scotch beef, you know it's good quality. You know that it's been raised and processed in Scotland by good people. And I think that is one of the most important things that we need to think about and consider when we're eating food, and particularly meat. We cooked this dish on a fire. You can do this over a grate, so you can slowly, if you got a bit of height above the fire, you can do it on that, or you can just do it in your kitchen if you're not feeling like a barbecue. Just take it inside, get your favourite frying pan out, and just and do what we did on the fire today.